Alright, man, you can go up in front, buddy.
Huh?
Since you're guest, you can go up in front.
I'm alright. You just want to see me go over that damn bullshit spot first.
No, I want to see you get out in front and catch a big old monster is what I want to see. And it'd be a whole ass thing, flips you over and everything. As long as you catch him, it'd be alright.
Yeah, it's not only bad you flip over and miss
I mean, if crashing up the trees was trending, we'd be rich.
Make your compilation.
Oh shit, cuz is using a big word.
Compilation is where you compile videos.
Ah,
Look at you and your fancy
fancy words. Big old fancy city words.
Them country boys just can't break it in the street.
God. Oh. Looking transplant.
I'm gonna book a truck. What us rednecks would call a blooper reel.
The blooper reel. Oh, okay, I understand now. Fuck off, cuz. Don't be touching me with that red thing.
What?
Don't be touching me with that red thing. Get him, man. Get.
He's right there.
He's right there, man. You can't see him. He's right there in front of you. That wasn't a spot. Let's hope that squirrel over ain't got rabies.
Man, I fucking like a squirrel who jumped out of the tree on him, man.
That would definitely be a thumbnail.
That would be great. Make sure you get it up.
Might have to be some anime in on that too. Yeah, last trip we went on, tried to get all fancy and use my head mount or whatever. And my buddy Key, he seen that the camera's all crooked and shit, and just let it be crooked the whole time. Didn't say, hey, you might want to straighten it up.
It wasn't crooked, you just hold your head sideways. You do that all the time.
My camera's straight. There's something fucking around over in them trees though. You hear that, man?
What?
There's something in them bushes over there. There's something in them bushes. The bush. What's really fucked up, I got out of bed really early this fucking morning with a woman. Come out here and hang out with you two fucking
You ate 30 tags, last 3 tags. You got 30 out. And you want to go too. God, I love being single. You know who bitched to me this morning? Not a goddamn anybody. I just got up, smoked me a cigarette, drank me some tea, scratched my balls a little bit, went fishing.
That's it.
Stopped and bought everybody a biscuit. If I had a woman, I couldn't do that either.
Eat steaks.
Brings his buddy down there to damn steaks and makes his teeth get infected. Digging a fucking trench under his step.
Goddamn, I ain't bring steak to your house again. It's goddamn a week and a half, 2 weeks before I can fucking eat them.
Yeah.
He's sitting in his house going, you know, I got fucking steaks.
Travis, that's true. I don't have none at the house. They're all at Travis's.
I'm gonna go be a captain. I ain't eat damn steak.
No, I ain't got no couch guy no more. I got rid of the motherfucking couch.
Travis is so kind-hearted. He had to get rid of his couch so people would live in there.
You can be a cot guy.
Look, Travis, I ain't rummaging in drawers and stuff, but I imagine in that damn wood box you probably got stuff to make a powder, don't you?
Yeah, you're right.
You sleep on the wood box.
Yeah. Sleep on the wood box.
Do you believe this, Cece? They got the paddles upside down, backwards and shit.
At least you can fall in here, you can stand up.
Yeah.
Somewhere deep in my computer is a grown-ass man freaking out because he flipped over in a kayak.
That was funny.
Ah,
Oh,
damn.
stinks too.
The land.
Yep.
Got me, son.
Hey, Mr. Auburn University, did you check the weather before you left the house?